Hi, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota, and today I'm going to do a short video of our brand new 2024 Grand Design Influence, and this is the 3704 BH fifth wheel. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see what you think. Alright, starting up front, you've got nice pass-through storage with lighting. It is prepped for the Tire Link tire pressure monitor system. Two 30-pound propane tanks, one on each side. You do have more storage up front with two vented battery boxes. Over on this side you have your auto level command panel along with your black and gray tank pulls with a couple extra outlets, outside shower as well. Black tank flush on this side. Furrion on-demand hot water heater. Black rims. The auto level is 6-point on the Influence. You do have a receiver hitch on the back with 4-way wiring. It's rated for 3,000 pounds along with an exterior ladder and prep for a backup camera. Full outdoor kitchen on the 3704. You've got a nice griddle which has a cast iron flat top on it. Sink with running water. More outlets along with some extra storage and a refrigerator. Two entrances as well. One goes into the half-backed bath towards the back bunk room. And then you have two electric awnings with LED lighting. Nice fold-up Moride steps. Nice big grab handle as well. And then it does come with the screen defender too. It's a little bit more heavy duty there. We'll head inside. As you walk in, there's a nice hutch area with storage above and below with a full-size pantry directly to the left of it. Influence does come with built-in Wi-Fi, and then you've got the Furrion 12-volt refrigerator and freezer. Stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. So you've got full-size microwave, 3-burner gas burners, and full-size oven. Really big center island kitchen. You've got some nice trays here. Depending on how you want to set up your sink, you can do a split sink, or you can pull these out and do one big sink. Does also come with the cup washer there and a cutting board. All solid surface countertops. Plenty of storage down below. And then in the living area you've got flat screen TV with built-in fireplace down below. And directly across from the TV you have your reclining theater seats. Built-in cup coasters in the couch there. And full-size booth dinette. Tons of windows. And in the bunk room, you've got bunk up above, which can fold up to give you more room. Sofa sleeper there, and a little computer desk area towards the back with some storage cubbies. And more storage there, along with a oversized bunk up above with a ladder. And there is a air conditioner in the back here, along with a TV backer location. If you'd like to add a TV, there's outlets there. And half bath in the bunk room area, so sink and toilet with a mirror, and you've got venting and ducting for the AC in here as well. And we'll head up to the master bathroom. Again, good sized sink, medicine cabinet with mirror, venting with a fan, towel rack holder, porcelain toilet, and really big shower with the skylight up above. Full bedroom slide with king bed. Windows on each side of the bed. You've got USB and outlets on each side. Right there and there, and then little nightstands for your electronics. Huge closet. Tons of storage. And you have a separate closet here as well, which has the washer dryer prep. Flat screen TV and your dresser down below. There is also an air conditioner up in the bedroom as well, along with one in the living area. So 3 ACs total in this Influence. So I'll do one more walk around here. Well, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this new 2024 Grand Design Influence 3704 BH fifth wheel, call or text at 218-740-4963. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.